Today I have 5 things, it's a little bit more than 5 things that you should not miss out on in Sephora. They are all under $30. Yes, $30. Before we get into that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So first thing on the list is actually Living Proof dry shampoo. This one is the Defrizzer dry shampoo. It's $25 on Sephora. You will probably wondering, why would a black girl need dry shampoo? It has this really nice freshly washed hair scent. If you wear synthetic hair or you even wear just a regular weave, this actually refreshes your hair in a really nice way. So for synthetic hair, sometimes you get that hair and it's a little bit too shiny. All you have to do is give it a couple spritz, not too close to the roots, and it will bring your hair back to new. Even if you do not wear synthetic hair, I'll link a video right here to show you how I revive my weave with dry shampoo, particularly this dry shampoo. I love dry shampoo and this is a really good one. You should get it. Next on the list is actually lip gloss. These two are amongst my top favorite lip glosses. It is from Buxom lip gloss and Fenty lip glosses. So Buxom, you can actually get 2 minis of the Buxom lip glosses for $25. They do not run out. I use my lip glosses religiously. I'm just in the house and I would reapply lip gloss. I love this particularly because it gives you a really nice plump extra glossy look without being too sticky. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I'm always talking about these 2 lip glosses, Fenty and Buxom. So speaking of Fenty, you can also get dual sets, 2 Fenty lip glosses for the price of $29. This is the full size Fenty lip gloss and this is what the minis look like. Look at that. I really enjoy these lip glosses. I use them as a topper or as a lip gloss on their own. They're very moisturizing, not sticky at all, and they smell amazing. With the Buxom lip gloss, it gives you like a plumping effect. It has like a minty feeling to it. Some people really enjoy that. It could be off-putting to some, but I really enjoy it. It's a lovely lip gloss. You should definitely get it. The Beauty Blender. The Beauty Blender is a cult classic. It has been imitated so many times, nobody seemed to get it exactly right. It is a cult favorite for a reason, and there is a reason everyone tries to imitate it. It retails for $20 at Sephora, so you get a makeup sponge and a cleanser to go with that goes with the sponge. If you already have a beauty blender, comment below. If you've skipped the $20 for the beauty blender, comment and let me know which sponge do you use, whether you use a brush or a sponge. It has a nice tip to it so you can get into any nook and crevice on your face. I also use my beauty blender after I put my makeup on and I apply my setting spray. Sometimes I'd spray a little extra in my beauty blender and tap that in and it gives you an extra blended look. Try that tip, let me know how you like it. Number 3 on the list is Lancome Bi-Facil. It is right now on Sephora, you can get 2 of those for $20. I've had my Lancome Bi-Facil for a really long time. This thing is amazing. It lasts an extremely long time. So what you want to do is shake this up, apply a little bit to your cotton pad and you can rest it on your eye and then everything comes off. I like to use a little bit on a Q-tip, just kind of shake it up, stick my Q-tip in there and then rub it along my lash lines. Take my lashes off. It does 2 things. It saves your lashes so you can keep reusing it, and it also saves you from ripping out any eyelashes when you take them off at the end of the evening. This is a really good product. The other way I use it is sometimes you're applying your makeup and you got like, whoop, you went a little crazy with your eyeliner or anything like that. You just touch it on there with a Q-tip and it comes off completely. This is one of my top favorite products. So right now you can get 2 of these for $20 at Sephora. I said 2. Yeah, it's gonna last you a really long time. So number 4 on my list is actually eyebrows. 2 of my top favorite brands, Anastasia Beverly Hills and Benefit, both have great deals on Sephora for under $30. You can get 2 Precisely My brow pencils for $24. You'll get a full size and a mini. Now, there is a reason this thing is so popular. You get into the nooks and crannies, you just get that really thin, nice hair-like stroke that can be imitated by nothing else. For the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, it's on for $21. You might think you're gonna get the imitation and try it out. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not the same. I tried a couple imitations to it. It is not the same. The colors are off. the pencils break. So I would definitely just go straight in and get the Precisely My Brow or the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is famous for a reason. Number 5 on my list is lashes. So I'm gonna start off with Lily Lashes. Right now you can get a pair of Lily Lashes and the mini glue for $25. I said $25. So regularly the glue is like $12 and the lashes are $30. So you can get the lash and the glue for $25 at Sephora right now. I'm actually wearing some Lily Lashes. This is in the style NYC and I really love these. Nothing else on this list and you want to try these lashes, now is a great time to try Lily Lashes at Sephora. So for under $25, you can get the best of Clinique. Amongst them is some of the products that I love. I have full sizes and backups. So they have included the Clinique Take the Day Off. I absolutely love this. It's amazing. So definitely check that Clinique pack out. They also have the PTR mask set. I have mine since last year. It's called the Mask Erase Set. Also in the skin section, I'm going to mention Origins. Follow me on Instagram. I have a whole post about Origins Clear Improvement Masks. I love that mask. It completely declogs my skin. I suffer with blackheads, and you know, when your skin gets really congested, you want to detox your skin. So the Clear Improvements mask is fantastic. You're actually going to love it. And it's for $26 for the full size and $13 for the mini. That is another thing. It's going to last you a really, really, really long time. They also have the Drink It Up mask. You're going to love that. If your skin is dry or if you've got combination skin, you want to put a thin layer of that, and after you've put all your skin treatments or moisturizers on, you put a thin layer of that, go to sleep, and you're going to wake up with baby soft skin. I would say those are my top 6 favorite things from Sephora. I know I said 5, but I gave you 6 from Sephora for under $30. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share it with a friend, share this video with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.